Hey everybody, Notorious here. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to quickly demonstrate a really interesting and effective and pretty simple way to connect yourself to a spar. So it's a spar anchor for a moving rope system. Let's check it out. To create this spar anchor, first imagine that you're doing tree work and that you've just finished taking all the limbs out of the canopy. You've been making a lot of cuts, dropping a lot of limbs, and now you're left with a spar. Let's say that you're on a hitch climber system, for example, and you're going to first put your lanyard on and take off or open up your system, basically. And then if you have a knot like I do, then you're going to take that carabiner off and remove that knot. Great. Next, you're going to tie a figure 8 on a bite. Oh, I'm sorry. First, you put a ring on. And this is a 70 millimeter internal diameter ring. You can use smaller rings for smaller diameter ropes, but the ring size will affect the performance of this anchor. So I'm going to slip this on, and don't worry, your system will catch it. And then create the bite. All right, got my figure 8 on a bite, and now we're going to pass it around the spar. And for the next part, you can use either a regular carabiner, or what I'm going to use is a pulley beaner, like the revolver rig. You can also use something like the Roll Clip Z or the regular revolver. And so you're going to take the bite and pass it through the ring like this. Then take your carabiner or pulley beaner, clip it on to the bite. So now I can cinch this down and have a really nice spar anchor that's going to stay where you want it to be, and you can now do work right here. And if you're ready to descend to somewhere lower on the spar, then first take the tail of your rope and put it into your carabiner or pulley beaner to create a theoretical 3-to-1 system. It's obviously not really that efficient, but what's great about this is as you now descend, you're able to feed rope into the system with your hand. And what that does is it alleviates strain on your friction hitch, making it run pretty much just as well as a regular moving rope system, even though it's not set up that way. So that's great. So you can keep descending, and let's say you get down to a lower part. I'm obviously moving out, but let's imagine I'm moving down. So when I first made this video, I did a terrible job of demonstrating how to fully disassemble and remove this system from a spar. So let me do a retake on that. Move out on a limb, or you go down a spar, and you now want to retrieve it. What you're going to do is you're going to grab these 2 strands here after putting your lanyard on, or if you're on the ground you don't need your lanyard, and then pull so that you might have to pull kind of hard and pull until this system comes back to you. And then at this point you have all the components in your hand, and so I can remove the revolver rig from my device, from this loop, stow this away. Then I can take the loop out of the ring, and now I can just pull this off the spar, and now I can just pull this off the spar, easy peasy, and you're good to go. Or I can, you know, adjust it so that it's on another part of the spar. So that's really great. I think this is an awesome system. It runs very smoothly, and all I can really say on a safety stance is that don't use the Rope Runner Pro. By the way, I recently made a video where I demonstrate a method for safely using a rope runner in a 3-to-1 configuration. This can be very useful for mechanical advantage on limb walks or for certain retrievable redirects. I'll put a link to that video in the description, as well as a link on your screen at the end of this video. You might be able to use the akimbo, don't know about the Petzl zigzag, don't know about the akimbo, don't know about the bulldog bone, but these hitch-based systems like the system here, the hitch climber setup, or the rope wrench are definitely safe. So check your instruction manuals and manufacturer's information to find out if your mechanical device can be operated where the tail comes out through the bottom of the rope and then makes another wrap around like this. So that's really it. Be sure to check out my other videos if this excited you and you enjoyed the video. I've got a lot of videos, shorts as well. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and check out my channel for more hitch how-tos, knot tutorials, and climbing videos. Bye.